Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this easy Korean style flanken ribs. Guys, this one is to die for and it's so easy to make. So if you want to learn how to do it, then just keep watching. And while you're watching guys, don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. So the first thing you'll need would be your flanken ribs, of course. I have about 8 to 10 pieces in there. So I went ahead and seasoned with some salt, pepper, paprika, chili flakes for some heat, rosemary, steak seasoning, oyster sauce, some soy sauce, and I hit it with some avocado oil. So I began to massage all of that goodness into my meat, and then I remembered I had not added my garlic. So I went ahead and added about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Guys, I love garlic on my beef. It's a must. So I mixed all of that and I set it aside to marinate for about an hour. So while my meat was marinating, I preheated my oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm going to be grilling my beef for roughly 8 minutes. So that's about 4 minutes on each side. Make sure to flip it halfway through. So after a total of 8 minutes grilling, look at the beautiful grill marks, guys. I'm telling you, it is so good. So good. Flavor town. So once my meat was done, I went ahead and took it off the grill. And this is what it looks like served up and ready to be devoured. Guys, I'm telling you, it is so easy to make and the flavors are amazing. First of all, let's get some pictures for the gram and then we can go ahead and dive right in. Guys, I'm telling you, this stuff is so juicy. The meat is so tender and the flavors, oh my gosh, amazing. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for watching. If this is your first time on my channel, don't forget to like and share this video, and guys, leave comments in the comment section down below and subscribe to my channel. I love you all. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.